In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WordPress website from Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove your WordPress files using Hostinger's hPanel, so your site is no longer accessible from the web. Before we begin, a quick reminder, deleting your site files is permanent. If there's anything you might need later, like images, theme files, or configuration, download a backup to your computer first. Start by heading to Hostinger's hPanel and logging in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the hosting service that contains the website you want to remove. If you have multiple plans or domains, take a moment to confirm you're opening the hosting account tied to this specific site. This helps avoid deleting files for the wrong domain, especially if you manage more than one website on the same account. Inside that hosting view, navigate to the Files section and open File Manager. This is where all of your site's files live and where we'll perform the deletion. The File Manager may open to your account's home directory. From here, open the folder named Public HTML. This folder is the web root for your primary domain and, in most cases, where WordPress is installed. If your WordPress site was installed in a subfolder, like a specific project or a subdirectory, go into that folder instead of deleting everything at the root. Now, select all WordPress files and folders you want to remove. Typical WordPress items include the WP admin, WP content, and WP includes folders, plus files such as WP config.php, index.php, and point htaccess. If you host multiple sites or apps under public HTML, double check that you're only selecting files for the site you intend to delete. You can use the Select All option or hold and drag to highlight everything. If there are hidden files, make sure they're visible so nothing is left behind. With the files selected, click Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Some panels may offer options like bypassing the trash or permanently deleting. Choose the option that suits your needs, keeping in mind that this action cannot be undone. Wait for the process to complete. Larger sites with many media files may take a moment. Once done, visit your domain in a browser. You'll likely see a default page or an error, which means the WordPress files are successfully removed. That's it. You've deleted your WordPress website from Hostinger using File Manager. If you plan to rebuild, you can now start fresh or point the domain elsewhere. Thanks for watching and take care with deletions. Backups are your best friend.